the Lavender Organizes process. Is your clutter taking over your entire home? At Lavender Organizes, we create a functional system for your clutter. That way, everyone is enjoying a calm and clutter-free space. Regardless if you're needing simple organizing to deep organizing, we will work with you to getting your home to looking its best. How does this work? Call, email, or text us. We provide walk-in and/or virtual consultations where we provide estimates and cost by looking at the photos that you send to us. Are you located in a different state and need an organizer? No problem. We do travel to you. We then come up with strategies and ideas on how to organize the space. Next, we will then show you our price bundle packages. We are passionate about traveling to different states and countries to the point we decide to be creative and have some fun with naming our different price packages. Our 12-hour package is called India. Our 24-hour package is called Italy. Our 36-hour package is called Paris. Our 48-hour package is called Finland. Our 60-hour package is called Greece, and the hours go up to 100. Once you choose the package that fits your space, you will then review the contract, then sign. We will come ready to organize with all of our supplies. We will begin with the area of your home that causes you the most stress. We begin with sorting, purging, and donating. We will make sure everything has its own space. We use drawer organizers to organize inside the dresser cabinets, or cube organizers for open shelves. We will use labels, bins, baskets to change the look and feel for your space and home. We also drop off a bag or two of donations after for each session to nonprofit organizations. We do believe our work changes lives and that you will be very pleased. Share this experience with your family and friends. Review us on the Better Business Bureau site, Facebook, and/or Google. We are a women-owned business. We've been in business for 5 years now. We'd love to help you free the clutter in your homes and organize your life.